Okay, we're in the Connect section, new feedback, and what we're going to do now is share a comment that's come through. And the example of this would be if somebody gives you some rave reviews and you want the whole team to know about it. You can also be negative feedback that you feel like you need to share with the whole team, but the share function is, the goal of that is to share the feedback that's coming through and utilize that from a team perspective. So again, when you come into new feedback, you're going to click on View for Response and click on Share. And you can put a note in here and you can say, hey team, Krista loves the club and really appreciates the new childcare center. Okay, whatever it is, and save progress there, and now that's shared with the team. Pretty simple.